Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. And if you're looking for an easy step to add into your routine throughout the day to help keep you healthy, I would highly recommend looking into organic chlorella powder. This one is by Anthony's, and I like this one because it's broken cell walled. It's also organic. This is 8 ounces. And the thing that I like about Anthony's chlorella powder, it doesn't taste like grass. It tastes actually really good. The taste is very subtle. And normally what I'll do is I'll put it in a huge container. I'll put a teaspoon in this, and then I'll add it with like an electrolyte mix, and I don't even taste it. So I'm getting really great benefits, a lot of nutrients throughout the day. But right now I'm just gonna mix it in some water right here so you can see the color, and you can see how easily it mixes in there. And this taste is very subtle. This is one of the chlorella powders that I've tried that has a really nice subtle taste. If you're looking for a way to stay extra healthy this winter season, I would just try throwing a teaspoon of this into your water each day and see how you like it. I think it's a great supplement. I really like it, and that's my point of view.